Welcome back to Instabulls, everyone. So I'm going to go after you guys on NKTX. We had over a 100% breakout today in the Instabulls room. Also, we do have official news, if you guys haven't heard yet, that Elon Musk did purchase Twitter. An amazing purchase that I'm happy about, in my opinion. We'll see where exactly this does head. We'll see how many times he mentions Tesla on Twitter. So we'll see what happens. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates every single day that I mentioned throughout the week. Again, if you are a day trader or you're just tired of looking at the market all throughout the day and you rather have somebody do it for you, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. Now, jumping into NKTX with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. Again, we had a major breakout from pre-market. We did break up to $13 where we were looking for a continuation. We did have our continuation. We did come over and we were testing our 20-day moving average, and we did have this break going into open. And then as you guys can see, we did have a pullback. And as you guys can see, we did mention this as we were breaking into new highs here, and we did have a continuation and another break here. Now, one way you could have known that we were continuing on higher, as you guys can see, we did have our 20 still over our 50, showing us that we still could continue. We held our 20 over our 50 throughout the whole day, and as you guys can see, as we did come down and we did test our 50-day moving average, we were looking to see if we can bounce off of it. We did have our 20 over our 50, and as we did bounce over, we did alert this one on breaking new highs, and again, that is why we alerted this one, as we did have a lot of strength to bounce off of our 50, to bounce back over our 20, and still had our 20 over our 50, and we got that increase in buy pressure, and our EMA lines crossed exactly at this point, showing us that momentum to the upside. That is another way to be watching this. If you guys are watching these intraday plays in the Instabulls room, look at these EMA lines, look exactly where they are crossing on the 5-minute, so you guys can see the overall momentum from an intraday perspective. As you guys can see, we had a large increase in sell pressure. We had some buy pressure coming in. On this cross, we would have thought we needed more buy pressure. As you guys can see, we did have a decrease in sell pressure, and then we had an increase in buy pressure above our previous buy pressure point as we did cross up here, and that was a lot of bullish momentum. And again, looking at our 20 and our 50, bouncing off of our 50, bouncing back over our 20, breaking new highs. A very simple play here. So I just wanted to show you guys that so you guys can know exactly what you could be looking at throughout the day, which movers have potential continuations and which movers don't. Sometimes you'll see stocks that look like they're going to continue on higher, but the 20 moving average is curling down, showing that momentum is shifting. As you guys can see here on the 20, we did not curl down. We actually continued on slowly but surely higher, even though we did drop down below our 20. So again, that is strength to be watching out for throughout the day. If you guys are curious what to be watching out for, these are just a few things that you could be watching throughout the day. But again, an amazing run in the Instabulls room. If you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instabulls that support the channel every single day, I appreciate every one of you guys. God bless every one of you guys. I'm glad that Elon Musk did buy Twitter. I'm very glad that he did. For a lot of reasons. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.